This is every Matchbox Mattel Creations direct-to-consumer release, with the exception of one, and that is the one EV G-Wagon they released, I think, back in April or something. That's a pre-order. That should ship out. Actually should ship out this month. Whether it does or not, I don't know. But we're going to add to this family today with the 1979 Chevy Blazer. This went on sale, as I'm recording this, it was a week ago or so. It was on Thursday. I don't remember the date. It took a little bit to get to me because it shipped from Pennsylvania. So it came from the East Coast to where I am on the West Coast. I only cut the tape open just to open it up. I haven't even taken the model out of the tissue paper because I want this to be like a blind first look. I saw photos of this, I've seen whatnot, but I have not seen it in person. And we're gonna open it up. It's like Christmas. It's December. It's the spirit of Christmas. Okay, first off, get this tissue paper out of here. First things first, the packaging is really nice. If you want to read this giant essay on the back, also this is a new casting. I'll get into that in a little bit. There's the text. I love the packaging. It's like a showroom floor. It's like a Chevy dealer in the 70s with all the other Blazers in the background. It's really awesome. Looks good. I just really love the packaging. There's a better look at it. Look at all that. I just love the way they did it. All right. Getting it out of the case, we do have to unscrew it from the base, so I'm going to do that. Yeah, and I'm honestly wondering, like, is this brand, like, worth collecting? Or not, I shouldn't say brand, but this line, is it worth collecting? Because a lot of the more recent releases have been a bit lackluster, and I don't know. I'm just kind of, like, feel like so deep into collecting these Matchbox direct-to-consumer releases that I can't really stop, but, like, I don't know. Because, like, for example, this Harlequin they did, it's quite mid. It's got the really bad dot matrix printing, and I think the execution of it is just not that great. The wheels sink into the wheel wells quite a bit. I think execution-wise, that one's not the best. And I have it unscrewed. So this is a new casting. I just punched that whole thing out. Okay, then. But this is a brand new casting for 2023. They're introducing it. Oh gosh, that just fell out. Just put this back in. I'm trying to like get the packaging all situated in one spot. Okay, here's the actual model. So this is its first release. This is its debut release, and it does have a plastic base, chrome plastic base. So this model will likely appear in moving parts. And yeah, so the wheels, I really dig the wheels. The wheels are done really well. It's the Steely with the chrome center with the all-terrain tires on it with the printing, which looks really good. You have it's a nice metal flake gold color, and it looks pretty good. The grille is printed in. There's the Chevrolet logo in the headlights. You have the taillights. Only complaint is dot matrix printing. Look how grainy that looks. Literally looks like TV static. And no, the top does not come off. I know a lot of people were wondering, hey, does the top come off? No, it does not. I don't believe it does. No, it's firm. It's not budging. I'm trying to see how they put it in there. I think it's might slot. I don't know, but the top is plastic. This is a plastic piece. It does not come off. The opening part instead is the doors. So the doors open up on this release. It's got a brown interior, giant blob for a steering wheel. And, yeah, windshield, I think it's blue. Not a bad release. This is the first new casting in this line since the fire truck here, which I thought was pretty cool casting-wise. Shut those door gaps a bit. Ooh, this one's not shutting all the way. Look at that. Shut! That's not going to happen. The door gap is fairly noticeable. Overall, though, I like the Blazer. I like the Blazer as a car, and I think this is a pretty good die-cast representation of it. Just the graphics, I think, are a little to be desired with the dot matrix silk screen printing, but I kind of want to open this up to a bigger discussion. Is this even worth it anymore? Because I really don't know. Because I think the quality on some of these models is just, like, not the greatest. Like, more dot matrix fuzz grain graphics. I don't know. I mean, like, I think if they could do... I think this line just lacks the kind of premium edge that is needed to, like, sell these at a $25 price point. Because this is the last model to have sold out, is the McLaren 720S. I think all of these guys, including this, I think, are still available. And I don't know. I just think some of these Matchbox models don't quite have that premium edge to compete with an RLC. I mean, carded RLC models are the same price as these. Elite 64 are $5 cheaper than these. I'm not even factoring in shipping and tax. That brings one of these models out to like $33 and some change. And if you're international without a freight forwarder, it's probably way more than that. I don't know, as much as I like the Blazer, is the $25 plus shipping and tax price point really worth it? And I don't really know. It's a cool model, and I like it, but is it premium enough to give it that sort of edge? And I just don't know. This, I believe, is the final Matchbox release of 2025. Until the G-Wagon ships, which I don't know when that is. I know the RLC Continental was back-ordered by another month, so who knows what's happening. But we'll see what 2025 has in store for this line. I don't know. I don't know if they're going to do less models. I don't know if they're going to do more budget. I don't know what they're going to do. I hope, though, they do something... I mean, this Blazer is definitely a step in the right direction, but hopefully they do something a little more premium to kind of give an edge, because I like Matchbox. I really do. I think their basic stuff is really nice. And their moving part stuff is cool, but I think the premium aspect is just where they falter a bit. And that's kind of my opinion on this. And yeah, that's about it. See ya.